Hi, I'm Mitch Reichman. I'm a board-certified family law specialist, and I practice at J. Bergen Wilk. Community property in Arizona creates a presumption that everything that's acquired during the marriage by either spouse is owned by the community. It means it's owned by them jointly. They each have an undivided 100% interest in all of the community property. If you put money into a business and started the business before marriage, the character of your assets doesn't change by virtue of you getting married. So if you come into the marriage with a business that's a going concern, that business is your separate property. The difficulty is if you are working in the business and the business increases in value during the marriage, how to apportion the increase in value between what the business was in terms of its value and earning potential at the time of the marriage, at which time it was your separate property, and how it's changed during the course of the marriage. Those are very difficult questions to answer and require typically experts to do that kind of evaluation. There's a relatively easy way to protect your business or any other separate property before you get married, and that is to have a premarital agreement. Premarital agreements are presumptively enforceable in the state of Arizona. We have adopted something called the Uniform Premarital Agreement Act. And under the Act, as long as you follow certain guidelines, there's a very strong probability that the court will enforce that agreement. They need to be prepared for a forensic evaluation of their business. Someone is going to be looking at all of the personal benefits that they get from the business and attempting to quantify them. They're going to be looking for any unusual transactions. They're going to be looking for any unusual activity in the business that suggests that somebody might be divorce planning. And so what you want to do is you want to operate as you always have to the extent that you can. And if there is some event or occurrence that causes you to need to do something special, you want to document it as best you can.